Jesus has come to reconcile us to God. Jesus has come to reconcile us to God, because when Adam messed up, it was hard. Amen. Because in the Old Testament, they had to do sacrifices in order for them to communicate with God. The priests had to go before the people. The priests were an intermediary in order for them to access God. But in the New Testament, Jesus has come. So now we can access God. Accessing God is not for a select few. A select few. It is for everybody. So everyone has access to the presence of God. You can be in the church and access God. You can be in your car and access God. You can be in the workplace and access God. We all have an access to God. So Jesus has come to reconcile us to God. I remember one time, I know during the early 90s, they had this thing called the truth of reconciliation. Yes, they tried, but Jesus is the true reconciler. Men may try to reconcile us, but Jesus is the true reconciler.